There are some people in or inside the cafe. Some people are sitting outside the cafe. There are some books on the table. There's a tablet on top of the books. There's a kid under or underneath the table. There's a picture over or above the table. She is going up the stairs. She is coming down the stairs. The road goes through a tunnel. These cars are going in or into the tunnel. These cars are coming out of the tunnel. She is taking the stuff off the shelves. The bus is at the bus stop. It is alongside the curb. It is going from the city center to the university. I am walking away from the 5th Avenue and walking towards the west 42nd Street. The man is sitting next to or by or beside the woman. Their seat is close to or near to a tree. The woman is walking along the pavement past this house. The silver car is in front of or ahead of the green car. The black car is behind the green car. The green car is between the black car and the silver car. I'm on the pavement opposite the store. The store is across the road. Your feet must stay within or inside the square. They're running around or round the track. There are security guards among the crowds. They are present throughout the area, meaning in all parts of the area. The woman is leaning against the wall. She is swimming below or underneath the surface. They are traveling beyond the mountains, meaning on the other side of the mountains. She is running through the gate. She is walking across the road. She is walking along the path. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. These are also my prior contents which you can watch. I'm Steve and I will see you tomorrow with another video.